Another really quick thing to consider, because I'll pull it up on mine. Take a quick peek over at the open interest and the volume. So here's another thing is, one thing we're going to consider is the open interest on this NU position is at 70,000 right now. 70,000 for that open interest. I don't know if you guys can see that. 70,000, okay? Right down, right there. 70K. Look at that volume. That's how many were traded today. So yes, it dropped because of those, right? But that volume, we did not see people trading to get out of it. That open interest is still there. They're still open. Those contracts are still there. So yeah, if we saw suddenly 70,000 contracts, or in this case, we'll count up how many total there were on stacks over here for all those puts, right? You got 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, right? And 2, or basically 3. If you take all that and add that up and you start to see all that volume disappear, show up, and then that OI disappears by tomorrow, that's your indication that this whale or whoever had that information, they're now out. They're no longer trying to risk that money. But there's still people in it. Okay, so if you had a bigger account, things like that, maybe you would even look to possibly average down in this type of position because the open interest is still there. They're still riding it out. Okay. The other one, Wolf, WULF, popped yesterday, went a little bit higher. Hasn't really made too much of a move.